Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for a sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Taurus people, in this reading, first of all I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright. Knight of Pentacles. Taurus, this is your current energy. With this card, it seems like most of you Taurus are waiting to take action on certain things. Okay, you are just making sure that in whatever or whichever direction you are moving ahead, you just making sure that your direction is in, you are moving ahead in a right direction, be it in terms of money, be it in terms of career, finances, your relationship. So you are not in a hurry at this point of time. You are just taking your own time to analyze things. You are just seeing from a distance how people are, how people are behaving, what is happening around you. So somewhere somehow you feel that it's not the right time for me to go ahead. So let me just sit back and let me just see whatever is happening around me. Okay. On the other hand, we have Page of Pentacles. It seems like your person is somebody who is eager to start something new. Okay, they are very, very enthusiastic. They have a great zeal to start something. In terms of relationship, in terms of finances, in terms of career, in terms of goals. So they are somebody who wants to start something new now. Okay, perhaps it's you who is taking you are taking your enough time, and on the other hand your person is taking, they just want to start something right now. So both of you are completely opposite to each other. Perhaps they want you to take a step ahead in this relationship, and you are also, you also feel that okay, I should take a step ahead in this relationship, but still I need to make sure if this person is right for me or not. Okay, so you are holding back your emotions, you are just seeing from a distance what's happening, and on the other hand your person is being very enthusiastic. They just want to start something new. They are not, they are unable to see the consequences or the future events that can happen. Alright, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them, Taurus. The mutual energy between Thunderbolt. Something is about to end for both of you. Something is about to end. A new beginning is arriving in your life, and it is for both of you. Both of you are going through some kind of awakening or transformation, or some kind of a changes you must be feeling in your life or with each other. So some changes are arriving for you, Taurus. Okay, now let's see, Taurus, how your person sees you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. We are the world. Traveling. Patience. Okay. So Taurus, your person sees you as somebody that you are someone who is a helping hand to everyone. Okay, whenever anyone requires any kind of assistance, any kind of help, any kind of guidance, people look up to you. Okay, so whenever somebody is feeling down, they know to whom they should talk, and it's you, Taurus, and that's how your person sees you. Alright, the current action from your person's side is traveling. For some of you, Taurus, I feel that your person is traveling towards you. Okay, or for some of you, Taurus, it could also happen that your person wants you to travel with them somewhere. Okay, they want to spend some time with you, they want to go out with you. I don't know. Or for some of you who are into a long distance relationship, it seems like your person is traveling towards you. They are coming to meet you, they are coming to talk to you. That since the situations are not that good right now, but still they are somehow managing to come over and talk to you. All right, so this is their current action towards you. The future is saying patience. Your person even though they are somebody who is very enthusiastic to take certain action towards this relationship, towards you right now, but I can see that eventually in future they are going to be, you know, more calm and more poised. With this patience card, they'll understand that okay, if my Taurus is not moving ahead, that means something is there, in his or her mind. That's why this person is not moving ahead or not coming towards me. So eventually in future, I'm seeing that they are going to have a lot of patience with you. Okay, they'll say okay, you do your R&D, you do your research part, and then come to me. Okay, so they'll be more patient towards you, and with this quality, I'm sure that both of you can see some new beginning in your life. All right. Okay, so Taurus, I feel that some of you could be dealing with earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Alright, so Taurus people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.